Okay, the brand Falcon Acoustics launched a do-it-yourself speaker. They're calling this model the Q7 mini speakers. They are monitor-like speakers. So the interesting thing about this speaker is that when you buy it, you can actually piece it together to build it up. There is already an instruction coming with the speaker, as well as a video tutorial to how to set it up. It's a DIY setup. It's a way to give some people that really like to piece their stuff together a way to do so. So they are calling it a self-assembly speaker set. They claim there is no special tools that's required to do this, that you can set up this speaker in 2 hours. They go on to say that the production of the cabinet is very premium. The build quality is nice overall. It is not too heavy. You know, what you get is a way that you get your assembly tools in the box, so you can piece it together once you want to set it up. There won't be any soldering or anything that makes you couple some things to the speaker required for you to set it up. Everything you would need to set up the speaker is already going to be in the box with instruction. The price is the dicey thing now for most people, because it's priced at a very premium 995 euros. That's a lot of money. I wouldn't say a lot of money in the hi-fi world, but considering it's DIY, it's a little bit on the high side considering it's a monitor. But I can understand it. It may give you the advantage of maybe building your stuff up to the way you would like it. I get it, but regardless, the price I think is on a steep side, considering that the person buying it will still have to set it up, like build it up to his taste. So I don't know. The price is a bit dicey for the speaker, but regardless, it is out. So I think you can buy this. Let me see whether you can buy this right now. It is going to pretty much go on sale very soon. It's going to go on sale on many different colors as well, to give you different options. So that is what I can find out right now. The date for when it's going to go on sale hasn't been put in the article that I'm checking out, but I feel this will go on sale a month or so from now. So that is it. Please subscribe to our channel for more news. Follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.